What do we got today, Gutierrez?
We got a murder scene. I searched all the area and only saw this cooking pan, so I think that's our murder weapon.
You think somebody hit him over the head with it?
I searched the entire body, found no blunt trauma anywhere.
No signs of blunt trauma, huh? No blood either. Yep. Just as I thought. Non-stick.
What? Non-stick doesn't leave a mark?
No, Johnson. He wasn't bludgeoned with the pan. He was poisoned by it. Polytetrafluoroethylene. It's what they coat non-stick pans with. What makes them not stick.
That's a mouthful.
It's also poisonous. When you heat it up, it releases chemicals that can contaminate the food. Non-stick pans are known to be cancerous. Looks like our friend was cooking with cancer.
Cancer? But it's not even July.
Well, you better tell that wife of yours to start cooking with cast iron.